पणजे ओल्ड गोवा बायपास नितळ दवरतले, कोयर उडयतल्यांचेर क्रिमिनल म्हूण एक्शन जातली म्हूण 10 वर्सां फाटीं सरकार आनी मेर्शे पंचायतीन खंय हायकोर्टात लेखी उत्तर दिल्लें. मात कोयराच्या राशीन ह्या हायवेची दशा जाल्या म्हूण आयरिश हायकोर्टान गेला.
A contempt petition has been filed by me before the Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa against the failure of the Goa government to comply with the undertaking which was given to the Honorable Bombay High Court in 2008 that immediate steps would be taken to clear all the debris along the Panjim Old Goa bypass road. And in that undertaking, the Goa government had also given a commitment that the crime branch would investigate all those who have been dumping debris on that road. So it's almost 10 years and the government has done nothing about it.
सरकार आनी मेर्शे पंचायतीन हायकोर्टाक जाप दिवपाचो यत्न केलो. पयलीं हायवे क्लियर करात, कोयर उखलात, मागीर कितें तें पळोवया म्हूण कोर्टान 24 वरांची डेडलायन दिल्या. केस बुधवाराक दवरल्या.
So the Honorable Bench of the Bombay High Court at Goa, comprising of Justice Nitin Jamdar and Justice Nutan Sardesai, today directed that the village panchayat of Merses take immediate steps to clear the existing debris from there. And the court said they will not hear the village panchayat unless they first clear the debris that is accumulated along that road. The court has fixed the matter tomorrow evening at 4:15 and has expressed anguish that though the commitment was given to the court in 2008, the debris is still lying and being piled up along that road for almost a decade.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळेकार.